Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone is doing well on this beautiful Friday. Tesla is up huge. When Tesla is up huge like this, you generally don't want to fight the strength in the market too much. So let's see. Six, 8, 7, 4. Also, today's stream is gonna have to be a bit shorter. I'm gonna try to make some good trades, and then we're gonna have to call it a day a bit earlier. Also, in terms of what to put in the background, I was thinking maybe instead of music, we could put, I don't even know, like stand-up comedy. You have stand-up comedy playing in the background, or like some sort of like motivational speeches on YouTube in the background. What are your thoughts on that, guys? In Australia, so it's Saturday midnight. Oh man. Tony, huh? This market is so greedy, man. Yeah. Just buying the dips on everything. AI stock money is traveling into the Russell and into the tech stocks that weren't AI stocks, essentially. And money is rotating. Is he in anything right now? No. Well, Theo Von. Theo Von would be funny. Classical music. Classical music, you're just nothing. Whiplash too distracting. Funny house, good morning. Treat it. Relaxing music. Or nothing. Bandari Bazaar. I don't know what that is. Music, yeah, classical is great. Soft music, maybe. Honestly, I like quiet. Theo Von or coffee shop music. corner Dan's Levy is so inspirational. Trippy Jeffrey, first day here. Came across Hamid's YouTube video last night and learned a bunch. Happy to be here. Nice. Welcome to the family. Thank you for the follow, Trippy. Oh, you guys can't see this. Treat it. Maybe progressive house. Put Andrew Tate motivation. Look at ours. Alright. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Wow, this was a really big reversal. Wow, that is a lot of strength. Holy crap. Wow. That's quite surprising to see, because this was a very big bearish reversal at resistance at 431. And for them to just rip it up like this is very, very strong. It could give us, if we see some if we see some stagnation here. Damn, this is wow. I'm taking the SPY puts. Have they stop very light. This is risky. Clearly, there's a lot of strength in the market. Tesla is very strong, but it makes sense. Basically, I have a stop loss for 0.50. High of day stop. Very, very tight trade. Let's see if we get a lower move. We need to see a break below 430.60. So far, it's doing what it needs to. But you can clearly see right now they're playing around. They made a very bearish move. The next candle was very green, ripped everyone who went bearish. And then the candle afterward, red, ripped everyone who went long. So we're in a good spot, I think. You guys should be up comfortably now. You guys should definitely be up comfortably now. You guys should take some profit. Solidify some profit. Now this needs to remain below 430.70. 430.80. Now we need to see if they're going to reward late bears that basically went short as this range broke. So far, it doesn't look like it. I'm gonna sell if it breaks below 0.51. No continued move to the downside, so have a tight stop. This is generally another opportunity where you add shorts as it touched high of day. So we're currently in SPY shorts. We got him for high of day stop loss. We took some profits. Now we're holding on to runners. We need to see if they start to reward people that are going short alongside momentum. That's what's going on. So the easiest trade to make, which is why we're good, we went short at a level of resistance. Very simply, we're going to have a stop loss right above resistance. Cool. But for a continued move to the downside, we need to see them reward people that are going short alongside momentum. That's the only way that we're going to get a break. So far, they did not. I'm out. NASDAQ is having trouble at high of day. 356. Well, 357 is resistance on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can start to test that area. The IWM held support at 185.60. So the IWM holding support. And then the NASDAQ just made a new high of day. So it pushed up above, which caused the SPY to make another high of day here. Does the mic sound better on TikTok? Okay, cool. We're trading the SP500. Wow, contracts are moving very, very sensitively. Wow. This is really crazy. They're moving very, very sensitively. Little small moves are causing big. Ooh. I'm in SPY puts again with a high day stop. This is light and risky. The contracts are moving very, very fluidly. This could rip up, but I have a very tight stop loss here with a high day stop. This is a risky trade, so do not take this if, you know, but because the contracts are moving very, very, very crazy. But if we catch a short, it's going to be quite wild. High of day stop. If it breaks above and closes above high of day, I'm going to sell, very simply. And then we're going to re-enter into another trade. As it touched high of day, obviously, you know, like, that's a really, really good opportunity to have bought. So once again, the stop loss, you want to buy as close to the stop loss as possible, so that the risk reward for the trade becomes as tight as possible. Good trade so far. We need this to remain below 431.15, 431.14. We need just a little bit lower, and then this could crack. The contracts are going to crack above 90 cents. This is, they're holding this up. I'm selling some. This is a very small gain so far. I'm selling some, and then if we get a crack below 90, around 95, I'm going to sell some more. Okay. Good to go. Good to go. Nice trade. Good trade. Now just don't let this go red. Make sure that it remains in profit. Your stop loss, make sure the stop loss is in profit. Basically, for this to continue falling lower, it needs to just remain below basically 431.15. I'm not sure if this is, yeah, this is around 431.15. So that's where it needs to remain below. I'm out of the rest. We could re-enter here, maybe. I'm gonna buy light puts again. Re-enter very light with a 5-day stop. Same trade basically. Very light. Let's get a crack down lower now. Let's get a freaking crack down lower, man. Good stuff. Good stuff. Taking some profit. Now, once again, leaving runners. Good stuff. Once again, make sure that it remains in profit. These are, as you can see, these are like quick scalps. I have a stop loss of 0.83. Okay, I just got stopped out. But yeah. Might re-enter again, to be honest. There's no fluidity so far. The moves don't have any follow through. So if the contracts are moving very, very sensitively. Hopefully there's going to be days where you can just buy, hold, not worry about anything, and just have the contracts go to like 40-50% within a few minutes like usual. You can see the I really want to short once it, like, if we get a big move up. This is so, like, the contracts are moving so dramatically. This is fudge, man. We're gonna have to take a really loose trade, to be honest, in order to capture this. I think they're not gonna make it easy. Let's see. I'm in light puts, stupid light puts. This is very damn, this sucks, but you know, light puts to have they stop. This is it bothers me, this trade, but this is really sort of like loose, but I just have to take it. Should be a tight stop loss. We won't lose. crazy amount of money. Should be fine. NASDAQ's at resistance here at 357. It's reversing off of that, but you know, once again, when the NASDAQ is showing weakness, but the SPY is still holding support, that is usually a bear trap for NASDAQ bears. See, the contracts didn't lose value like crazy, which is the contracts don't lose value like this with a move up. That's generally bad. It's usually very bullish. So let's see. The contracts are they literally did not move. So all right, I'm out. We're gonna re-enter because this is starting to play out like a very big dramatic move to the downside. Just waiting. So far things are playing out pretty understandably when you're looking at the option chain for the puts, and if you're holding on to puts and they're not losing value while the price of the underlying, so while the price of the SPY was moving up, the option contract did not lose value. So when that happened, the put did not lose value. So when that happens, that means that's usually very bullish. So something like that played out really well, but it does not sustain itself. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I'm going short again with a high of day stop. Light trade. We're just gonna keep on taking these, to be honest. Well, I'm just gonna keep on taking these. You don't have to, but we made some money on these earlier trades. So yeah, it's worth taking in my opinion. This doesn't hurt as bad as the other one. Yeah, and generally when Tesla is doing this well, I don't like to be bearish on the market, but when the setups show, you got to take them. This was another almost 10% scalp. Easy money. Are you guys up? You guys should be up. You guys should definitely be up 10%. At least. You're short again? Yeah, I mean, if watching me trade is giving you anxiety, then you should do something else. Because if you can control your emotions and watch and see what I'm doing, it may make you money. But otherwise, if you're gonna complain about it, then you gotta work on yourself. Easy money. Once again, good opportunity to take some profits if you haven't already. And now this needs to remain below 431.40. I don't know if it's going to, but now once again we're in the same dilemma here. Are they going to reward late bears? That is the main question here. Everyone that's going to go short here is late to the party. We went short up top in a very stressful manner, obviously, with a stop loss of high day, but are they going to reward the people that are going short late? If they can, then this is going to push down below, and then the contracts are going to be up 30-40%. But it needs to break below these levels of support. Yeah, sorry I'm not reading the chat much. Well, gotta make sure, make some good trades. Don't want to miss them. This is a really ugly bullish opportunity. Going long here is just very, very ugly. So that would be very unfortunate if they rip it up. It needs to remain below 431.40. This would be very unfortunate if they just like ripped it up. But regardless, contract should be up what, like at least 10-15% depending on when you entered. So you guys could sell and just have it remain in profit as your stop loss, you know. This was a good trade. It's a very, very bullish day because Tesla has a lot of is there echo on my TikTok mic? I gotta figure out why the hell. No, all good, brother. Okay, cool. Thank you. This would be so stupid for them to rip it up. But what they're doing right now is like when things look exceptionally bullish or bearish, they do the opposite. Piece of crap, man. It had so much potential to have a big move to the downside. Garbage. Regardless, whatever. Good scalp. If we get closer to high of day, I'm gonna enter short again. I want something in the 50s. I want to try to get the contract closer to like 56, 57. The NASDAQ is still having trouble. The IWM is showing weakness as well. But you know what that means. That could just be a bear trap. The indicator, this indicator, it's called the Bollinger Band. So the middle line of the Bollinger Band is the 20 exponential moving average. It comes built in. It's called the Bollinger Band. I have Tesla touching 250 today. I think we test pregnancy. What the hell? What did I? It got to break 43172 first. It's previously closed. Call double top at his level earlier. Text pushing hard down, pushing through that level. FOMO pushing it up. Yeah. I mean. I'm buying puts with a high day stop again. This is gonna be probably gonna be one of my last 2 trades. But I think this should be good, and then if we get another leg up, let's see. Oh my god, garbage. So stupid. This should already be falling lower, much heavier, much more dramatically. I have a stop loss for 0.5. If it breaks below 0.5, then I'm just gonna sell. Nice little tight trade. I'm not adhering to the high of day, because if we break above the high of day, then it's gonna explode. The contract's gonna end up being like 0.40 something, to be honest. Come on. Perfect opportunity for them to just rip it lower. So the reason why I'm going against the trend is because the risk, like the opportunity for a giant reward is right there. It's much more prevalent to revert back inside to like 430 or 429 than it is going long at into strength already. I got stopped out. It was a small loss. I'm in puts again with a 0.45 stop. This is another tight trade. I'm not adhering to the high of day. This is a loose lotto sort of trade. But this is probably going to be my last trade. Made some money already. I have to leave soon. Okay, so far so good. They're not rewarding late bears. So even as like a big candle happens, they're buying everything up. So let's see. I'm sorry for everyone that's new to the stream and everything like that. This is generally, I usually take much easier, comfortable sort of trades, but when days like this happen, I just try to, it's annoying, I understand. It's very like nerve-wracking, and it's just annoying and to trade against the trend and everything like that, but yeah, man. Just trust the process. 0.45 as a stop. This should be light for everybody. This is not a any other time this happens, any other time this just falls dramatically to the downside. There's, after failing at this is basically a reversal from a bear flag, right? Technically, we didn't break above or close above the 50% fib or the 618% fib. We retested the 786% fib and failed and made a red candle. This red candle, oh my god, any other day would be flying to the downside, but because there's so many buyers, it's being held up here. I'm lowering my position sizes. It's a little bit profitable. Usually when I do this, the trade ends up working. Almost every, I think every single time I lower my position size on some profit, the trade just slaps. That's happened all but one time in the entire time I've been streaming. But yeah, so far this is good trade. We went short again. High of day, stop, whatever. 0.45 stop. It's not a comfortable trade. Obviously, it's nerve-wracking and it's annoying because you're fighting against the trend, but the risk, or the reward, and the, god damn it. Oh, every time, man. Every time I take some profit. All good. Shoot. All good. But yeah, hope you guys made some money on this. It did what it needed to do. Hope you guys made some money on this trade. If you guys took it and you guys made some money, can you guys put some ones in the chat? so I could. Oh my god. Oh crap! This is up almost 20%. Tesla 251. What? This long doesn't make any sense. Yeah. The trend is my friend. Some reversals usually happens at some point. So do you trade the afternoons? Yeah, so I don't live stream generally during the afternoons. But yeah, you're right. Some reversals do happen after 11:30, 12, you know. So yeah, you're absolutely right, Codykin. Devin, all week usually it's been going down after market open until about 2.5 hours, then it goes up. Yeah. Yeah, there's ebbs and flows and like waves of market timings of volume and everything as well. Suleiman, have you took any trade? Yeah, we're currently in shorts. Centanio, I have a question. Yeah, what's up? OVOXO ones, nice. Ones, good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Very nice. Good stuff, guys. I hope I didn't miss any questions. Thank you guys for your love and support. Nice. Look at all the ones. Good stuff. Piece of crap. I have a stop loss below 0.49 for the rest of this bull crap. Piece of crap, man. This is so stupid. They don't want this to just drop. But yeah, that's why I was so adamant. So basically, this is the setup that I was talking about here. This is a really, really, really good setup that you guys should just watch real quick. So we made a high, right? After multiple legs up, we finally made another high. The next candle was very red. Okay, so we made a leg down. All right, so let's just zoom in over here. I have a stop loss, piece of crap, below 0.49. This, I wish it would have just continued falling lower, but fudge. I'm gonna explain this trade and then I'm gonna don't get me stopped out. Piece of crap. Yeah, alright. Anyway. Alright, so look. Let's just zoom in on this setup right here. This is why I was so adamant about being short. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a Fibonacci level from here to this low, the candle right after. Okay? So here's what happened. So check this out. We made a high, okay? And after making this high, we made a big red candle. All right. These next two candles, the bottom of it where I made the fib and then the candle afterward, we came and retested the 786 level of the Fibonacci level. We retested the 618% fib and we could not close above the 50% fib. So this basically created a bear flag, okay? And bear flags, you need a close above either the 50% or the 618% fibs. You could see that we wicked. We made wicks. We made wicks. Like we didn't close the candles, we made lines above. So these are wicks. So generally when you make wicks, that shows a level of resistance. It shows that there's not enough strength to continue upwards, okay? So, clearly you saw 2 minutes of just failure to break upwards. But intra-minute, now look at how it made people feel. Intra-minute, at one point in time, this whole candle was a full green candle, right? So obviously, like, if people are late to trades, they're seeing this candle and if they're impatient, they're like, holy crap, this is a full green candle we're about to enter. This is a beautiful reversal. I'm gonna go long. And then they get faked around. So then people that went long up here, the next candle, it dropped even lower, dropped back lower. So it's like they're messing with people intra-minute as well. But that's not the point. The point is we failed to break and close above the 50% fib or the 618% fib for 2 minutes after making this high and a big red candle. So this made a bear flag. Now, the candle that I was very, very adamant about was this candle right here at 1023. This third candle right here. This was almost every single time I see this pattern, it pukes. It almost always pukes to the downside. That's why I was saying, guys, any other time, this would just capitulate to the downside. We'd have a big move to the downside. And that's because we made this bull flag, or a bear flag, multiple wicks here at levels of resistance. We did not break above those levels. We did not close above those levels either. And then this candle here basically solidified weakness. So now for this third candle, it is very, very, there is a very small chance that we use this candle and then it becomes green. Because if we failed multiple times earlier, this candle almost never turns out that way. And yeah, I mean, I was very, very adamant about being short over here, and it worked out really well. And then that's why the next few candles fell even more dramatically because of this setup here. Bulls were trying to push it up with these two candles, but they failed. So that failure of pushing it up caused the market to fall, and it worked out really well. And that setup is a really, really good setup. You guys could always have, to be honest, you guys could always pay attention to. It is a really, really good setup. Yeah, I want to go short again, to be honest. Let me read the chat. Let me read the chat. Riding this sucker down. Ones, nice, okay. Budge, why didn't I just go short? Why didn't I just go short? Anyway, yeah, whatever. Whatever. Anyway. Let me read the chat. Continue reading the chat. Hannah, Hamid, do you swing trade? Yeah, I really love swing trading. So, yeah, swing trade. AJG, Hamid, check your email. Oh my freaking goodness, man. We should have just went short, folks. Fudge, man, this is so stupid. All good. All good. But yeah, I have to leave anyway. But as you can see, like, the market is moving in like a normal, fluid way. Like, the stuff that I'm showing you guys, like, hopefully, like, it'll help you guys regardless. In the market, it's not doing anything like too crazy. Obviously, even when the market is moving very, very bullishly, it moves like in a way that is still understandable. So even after like multiple legs and legs up, you can still make money regardless of which direction you're trading. You just have to be very smart with your position size, and you just have to be good with your entries. If you're good with your entries, you could literally, like, there's no, there's no absence. There's no, like, there's always opportunity in the market. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's always going to be opportunity, long or short, in the market. So, yeah, man, this would have been. Did anyone go short when I said I wanted to go short? Is this did anyone take this? Looked at the chart. I was like, ooh, I should go short. All right, let me read the chat. I didn't get filled. Damn, good stuff. John Carlo, Smiley, you wanted to, okay. Oh yeah, I took that. Caught the top of yeah, good job. Good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff, guys. Also, 1 second, everyone. So sorry. So I make YouTube videos after every day after the market, and I give my thoughts on what is going on in the market. So I just posted that there. So make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go in depth and I explain in depth about what's going on in the market, and then I'm also going to be explaining in detail why, like, the reasons behind why I'm taking trades. So I'm gonna explain to you guys like the reasons for why I'm taking the trades as well. So definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me just share that in the Twitch chat as well. Make sure you guys are all subscribed. And yeah, man, happy to see you guys made money on that, man. Good stuff. Okay, at least, yeah, like, I was a little tilted, but now, as long as you guys made money on that, I'm good. Good stuff. But yeah, man, is there anything else that I can help you guys with, or do you guys have any other questions that I could address or help out with? Everyone, also, if you guys are new to trading and you guys have no clue about where to start or anything like that, you guys send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I will send you guys a bunch of videos and courses and things that you need to learn. So make sure you guys just DM me on Instagram or on Discord completely for free. Completely for free. We don't need to charge anyone for stuff that already exists. And regardless, I would never charge. I'd never charged you guys for anything. Everything is always completely for free. So definitely, like, I just, want to help out and in any way that I can. So definitely, yeah. I get a lot of messages also. So I've been responding to all of them within 1 or 2 days. But I get a lot of messages also. So, like, thank you guys for your patience. And please don't find it offensive if I don't respond to you like ASAP, But yeah. Thanks, Ahmed. Sounds great. AG hung out here changing our lives for free. God bless. Thanks, man. Nah. Still trippy Jeffrey, still very rough on my entries. Lots of work to do. Seeing everyone in here do well helps. Yeah, man, it's community definitely helps. Definitely Helps a lot. Just the when is our big short happening? We missed it. I think we should have went short when I said to go short, but I didn't take it, to be honest. We kind of limit orders, so it's hard for me to get a solid entry. Trippy. There has to be a way for you to make market orders on Webull. Fudge, man, this is oof. I don't want to get some FOMO. God, dude. Also, AJ, I think you sent me an email. I'm gonna read that as well. I'm going to fudge. Fudge. Congratulations to everyone who shorted. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, but yeah, don't have FOMO. It's very, just go short at resistance. This would have been a really good entry as well. Basically the exact same setup as the earlier bear flag failure, right? This setup as you, oh my god. But yeah, man, this is it's pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm glad that all this stuff is working out, and you guys are making money regardless, so that's good. Fudge. Oh my god, that drop. Yeah. Trippy Jeffrey, that's amazing, bro. I just turned 28. I wish I started 10 years ago. Your age, seriously, great job, and keep that smart head on your shoulders, way ahead of your age group. Nice, yeah. It's a big deal that yeah, man, love to see young people, just people teenagers especially, doing stuff wherein they could just be out and about doing shenanigans. Tree closing the app because of FOMO. Have a good one. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Oof. Trade, yeah, I'm gonna respond to you as well. Short death is my favorite trade. Short is up 25%. Nice. Going into almost 10 minutes of downtrend. Fantastic play on it. Yeah. Indy, if I had taken it. That trade is up 35%. Nice, man. Yo, I am happy that I'm helping. How to Rhino, I'm going to respond to you as well. I'm young Greg. I know nothing at all about trading and really want to learn, but don't know where to start. Just videos full of terms I know nothing about. Yeah, for sure. Just send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and it's like no joke. I'll send you everything that you need to learn completely for free. I'll send you the videos and books and whatever else you need. It's very simple. The issue is that we just don't know where to go. So like you just, most people just don't know where to look, or there's so much that you yeah, the Discord link is in my bio, but my Instagram is the same, Hamid Trades, so you can just DM me there. But yeah, man, with that being said, don't get FOMO. Oh Do not get FOMO. Oh man. Everyone that's also new to trading and you guys are trying to get better, like I see a lot of people in the chat, AJ, lots of other people are talking as well. You guys need to have a trading journal, man. I talk about this every day. Please, it's no joke. If you guys have a trading journal, it alleviates all of the ambiguity of your trading. You won't have ambiguity with, oh, why is this not working? Oh, why is this not working? Why am I losing money? Blah, blah, blah. With a trading journal, you're going to be able to document everything in detail. And you should be maintaining that trading journal every single day. So definitely, guys, have a trading journal, man. It'll really change everything about your trading, man. It helps a lot. So, yeah. Yep. What books would you recommend? Like, you got top 3 or top 5 off the top of your head? The best 2 books that you should start with are Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas and Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. So Trading in the Zone and Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. Those are really good to understand market dynamics and stuff. But the main books that you should read up on and learn are trader psychology books. So just, if you just go on Google and you just literally just type in best trader psychology books, just go through the list of all of them. Because you could learn all the indicators, you could learn all the strategies of oh wow, the RSI is oversold, we're at a support, okay, let's go long. But it's executing on the trades is a completely different game. And to execute properly, you need to have a good trader mindset. So a lot of that has to do with inner work, honestly. Are you okay with being wrong? Because with trading, you're not going to be right about everything. That's why you see people that have big egos in real life or big egos in other aspects of their life. They're not good traders because they can never accept a loss. With trading, you have to accept losses multiple times within an hour. And sometimes people have very low self-esteem, and they attribute their intelligence to their worth. And they think, okay, if I'm wrong about something, and we all have done this. That's not to say that whatever, but you can't trade with that mindset. You can't attribute you being correct about everything to your self-worth, because then there's a lot that people do in terms of their thinking that just is detrimental to them in terms of trading. You have to be okay with taking L's. And when you're arguing, have you ever argued with someone and they just never want to admit that they're wrong about something? Those people are terrible traders, because they just don't want to accept being wrong. And there's a lot of different things like that that hinder your growth as a trader. But yeah, man, the main thing you have to realize is losses are a part of the game, and you just have to mitigate them. You can't lose all the time. I mean, you could lose, right? But you have to make sure that your losses are tight and they're not huge. Live to fight another day. Don't get married to any position. But yeah, I hope I've helped you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and literally just go short at every level of resistance and just go long at levels of support, and just keep it simple. Keep it very simple. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys have any other questions or anything else that I can help with or something like that, just send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord. Send me an email. I'll get to everybody this weekend. And yeah, man, we're gonna have a great next week as well. We had a pretty good week already, and yeah, man, can't complain. Also, for everybody that's on TikTok, like next week, you guys have to like double tap the screen and like put some likes on the stream. But yeah, I keep forgetting to ask you guys. I should be asking you guys this like whenever there's like a winning trade. But yeah, man, next time. Cool. All right. With that being said, I hope everyone has an amazing. Oh, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Totally forgot. Hope you guys have an amazing day, an amazing weekend. Take care. Have a good one.